Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Saurav Saha, and today, I'm going to show you how to use two custom VBA functions in Excel to generate random text from a specified range and to generate random text while excluding specific texts from another range. You don't need to write any code yourself, just copy and paste the code from the video description. Let's get started. First, we need to open the VBA editor. Here's how you do it. Open Excel. Press Alt F11 to open the VBA editor. In the VBA editor, go to Insert and click on Module. Now, simply paste the code from the video description into the module. Now that you've pasted the code, let's see how to use these functions in your Excel worksheet. In an empty cell, type equals random text, B2, B6, to generate a random text from the range B2 to B6. It will generate the text randomly from given range. But when you require to exclude specific text, then use the random text XEL function, type equals random text XEL, B2, B6, C2, C6, to generate a random text from the range B2 to B6 while excluding values from C2 to C6. It will generate the text randomly from given range while excluding the text in another range. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment.
Please subscribe to our channel for this kind of video and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our updates. Thank you for watching.